As a buyer shopping for a home this year, here's what you need to know about the latest housing trends. Hi, I'm Kerri Lawless with eXp Realty. From smart homes to sustainability and price, these are the trends that buyers will see in 2023 when shopping for a home. Experts are predicting home prices will continue to rise slightly due to strong demand and limited inventory. Of course, this will also depend on the region where you're looking. The remote working trend is expected to continue having buyers shopping for homes with dedicated workspaces and technology infrastructure. Buyers are going to focus on sustainability, and they're going to seek homes with eco-friendly features like solar and updated technology. Buyers will continue to show interest in the suburban and rural areas like we saw the last couple of years, and they'll seek larger homes in both more spacious and densely populated areas. The trend towards smart homes featuring advanced technologies such as voice-controlled devices and automated systems is expected to grow. Finally, buyers will seek to find homes that have been renovated and upgraded. If you'd like to learn more about the latest housing market trends and how you can find the perfect home for you, feel free to reach out to me so I can set you up with a detailed property search and help you find the perfect home to meet all of your needs. I'm Kerri Lawless with eXp Realty.